Let's start. I assume we are all very new to database. We are all new to the database projects in real world. I assume we are all having minimum 1 hour every day to practice from tomorrow. With this assumption, let's get started slowly. The introduction towards database. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you practical classes step by step from scratch, from the basics. Trust me. At the same time, I trust you. You'll practice on time. Demand more assignments after submitting the given assignments on time. Need your support. Let's get started. The agenda for today's class. We are going to learn what is database today, types of databases, what is DBMS, database management system. There is something called DBMS, database management system. What exactly it is? We are going to learn what is SQL Server and what is SQL job roles. What we do at our job desk, we are going to learn. Let's get started slowly, step by step. It's good to have your own observation notes. I'll provide you the complete class notes anyway, but good to have your own observation notes, please. My kind request. Let's get started slowly, step by step. What is database? And what is the birthplace of data? From where the data comes into database in real world? What next and what before the database? Our daily job roles, how they are related to each other within a project. Let's understand slowly. So first agenda item, what is database? Number one, let's make it clear. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. So database is a big storeroom, as simple as that. Fully secured, easy to organize, stores unlimited data, no limit on the amount of data, and supports cloud, AI, and every IT project needs database. So it has 100% job opportunities always, but as you know, the best is always needed. We need the best project and the best company, and the recruitment team needs the best resume with perfect skill set. Let's try for it together. Let's understand more about database. Remember, in olden days, we store data in files, PDF, Excel, etc. Whereas now, database, to store any amount of data, unlimited data, fully secured, for example, passwords, QR codes. Yes, passwords, QR codes. We can easily store them in database. And very important screen, next one. Types of databases on my screen now. From here comes our job roles. There are two types of databases, OLTP. Please by heart these new terms. To understand the installation process tomorrow, please. OLTP, online transaction processing database, to store live real-time data. like live temperature, live stock market operations. Other one, data warehouse, to store historical data, old temperature data, old stock market data, anything old data warehouse. OLTP, live data, data warehouse, old historical data. Remember, just like our house has a storeroom, warehouse, and a living room, OLTP database. Same way, we have a server, a database server contains both OLTP and data warehouse databases. Tomorrow's class, we are going to install this particular components, OLTP and data warehouse, on my screen. So inside a database server, you have databases, OLTP, and data warehouse, DW. Like one house, multiple rooms, a storeroom and a living room. Now, from here comes our job roles. Developers are involved in design of OLTP databases. Data engineers, data warehouse databases. Admins to manage OLTP and data warehouse, both. Analysts for reporting operations. Any kind of reporting analysts can take care. I repeat, first one, what is database? Second, types of database. Now, number 3, the software implementation, DBMS, database management system. It's a software to build or design databases, manage, access, analyze, secure, monitor databases, troubleshoot and implement AI on databases. We have DBMS. The last point is the new add-on. Different companies designed and released various products to manage databases, like Microsoft released SQL Server, Oracle has Oracle, Postgres, Sybase, Informix, DB2, etc. Hundreds of DBMS. And out of this entire list, which one to choose purely depends on number 1, ease of usage, number 2, cost. Let's see. OLTP, like Microsoft SQL or Oracle, MySQL, Postgres, Amazon RDS, these are all OLTP products. The cloud computing products, Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, Amazon Glue, Athena, Snowpark, Data Build Tool, these are all coming under ETL, extract data from left, transform or join, compute, calculate, and load to destination, warehouse. So warehouse is like the godown, the storeroom. Azure warehouse, open source Spark warehouse for Databricks, Amazon Redshift, Snowflake, they're all warehouse concepts. And data engineers will take care of that ETL and warehousing activities. The DBMS SQL Server has great weightage to implement OLTP, ETL, warehouse activities. So SQL Server has flavors, cloud and non-cloud, with free data engineering components. So compared to other DBMS in the market, SQL Server has free BI tools, cheaper implementation. SQL Server has its own license, paid license. But once we have SQL Server license, BI tools will be free of cost, unlike other DBMS. It's supported in any operating system. Olden days, only Windows. Now any OS, no limit. So SQL Server, the DBMS from Microsoft, is more versatile, cheaper, and scalable, easy to implement, highly secured, faster storage, and big data analytics with cloud implementations. From here, let's understand now the next level activity, our job roles. From SQL Server, DBMS, we have various job roles, 3 important job roles. Total 4, certification wise 3. Data engineers have their own certification. Database admins, their own certifications. And data analysts, 2 certifications. We used to have certification for developers in the past. Now it's no longer available. In our classes, we'll be taking the SQL basics first, all the yellow items, all the SQL basics. And then we go for the next level activities, core engineering or admin or analyst. Any of these, as per your choice. Let's understand now what each of these job roles do to get some idea. A data engineer should know what an analyst usually does at high level, because at the end of the day, it's a single project. Same way, admin should know what engineers should do, because the same project at the end of the day. Let's see carefully these 3 prominent job roles in database environment, namely engineers, analysts, and database administrators. Number 1, data engineers. Number 1, data engineers involved in ETL. Data engineers will be involved in reading the data, extracting the data from various sources, databases, files, end user apps, etc. And they twist the data, shape the data, clean the data, load it to the godown warehouse. Something like this on my screen. So various types of data from various formats has to be given to the engineering team. They extract the data using various platforms and squeeze it, put it onto some warehouse for easy end user reporting. So data engineers will be involved in various components like Azure SQL, Azure ETL, Data Factory, Synapse, Databricks, Data Lake, IoT, etc. Because in the job description, we should know like what exactly they are asking, because they may have a combo like engineer plus admin or engineer plus analyst or admin plus analyst. It depends the combo job descriptions. So engineer is all about ETL and warehouse. And this is the course plan for our data engineering platform. We'll start with SQL, go for engineer, then go for Power BI. Power BI optional for engineering, recommended for experienced profiles. Then comes DBA, database administration. Assume a car. Car has different spare parts. They get designed, assembled, on road, then comes service, maintenance, and repairs. Same way, database. Developers will be involved in design, development, and programming the database. Developer job role. Once database goes live, then comes maintenance, repairs, security, health check, etc. This is DBA job. Remember, engineers are involved in playing with data, content. DBAs are involved in the overall maintenance, troubleshooting, management, security of databases. So the main job roles of database administrator: maintenance, security, performance, troubleshooting, repairs, updates, all kinds of management. And in our DBA course, in case you are planning for DBA, we'll be having the SQL items, core DBA, non-cloud, and Azure DBA cloud for everyone. Experience profiles, ETL data engineering plus DBA, that is ETL admin job role. Data engineer plus DBA job role. Next comes data analyst, the third prominent job role. Number 1, data engineer. Number 2, DBA or the combo. Number 3. Number 4, data analyst, responsible for design of reports. There is a separate certification altogether for data analysts. In this course, we'll be highlighting more on reporting, dashboarding, analyzing the data. We need to start with SQL concepts, then Power BI and Python, and everywhere Excel will be included. And as a data analyst, will be responsible for analyzing the data, reading the data, understanding the trends of data. So remember, we have various job roles now, 3 different job roles. Number 1, engineering. Number 2, admin. Number 3, we have this data analyst. You can choose whichever you are planning for. It's up to you. All 3 items in a single screen now. Here it is. Analysts, engineers, and admins. Any project has all these 3 teams. There will be developers, short term. Why? Simple. You got a new project, developer team would be involved in design of the database. Once done, it is the engineers who involve in big data, administrators involved in management, analysts involved in reporting activities. These 3 jobs have more scope and long run benefits. From here, more importantly, we have various versions of SQL Server. Of course, we need to aim at the job roles. Before that, we need to start from the basics. For that, I'll mail you today 3 software download links. We will do the installation tomorrow, slowly, step by step. I'll guide you for the installation step by step. We have various versions of SQL Server like 2022, 2019, 17, 16, so on. Just like iPhone 16, 15, like that, we have various versions of SQL Server. For everyone, we need first two. For experienced profiles, we have additional weekend classes, 1 or 2 classes every month. Our classes run from Monday to Friday, but once in a while, for experienced profiles, we have extra classes on weekend for older versions, so that we can have more exposure to the technology and solid resume points with confidence. Just like iPhone, we have Max, Max Plus, etc. Various editions of SQL Server. Enterprise Evaluation, Developer, Express, 3 demo pieces, 3 free tiers, free editions. Out of these 3, we'll take first 2 tomorrow. Various licensed copies from day after tomorrow will take the enterprise edition. You have access to our online server. Part of the course, that online server is a licensed copy, not a free copy. There are differences. Free and paid, there will be differences always. Enterprise and developer free, and enterprise edition paid. So we have differences that we need to learn very carefully. In real world, we'll be using enterprise edition. While SQL Server can be installed on any operating system, the free editions are supported only in Windows. The free editions are supported only in Windows. If you are using Mac, option 1, you need to rely on our online server. Option 2, our online server plus your own local server. If you can install a VM in your Windows, in your Mac, install a Windows VM. Please try. I repeat, if you are using Windows, you have 2 platforms to practice, your local servers and our online server. If you are using Mac, you have our online server, but good to have your own Windows OS also. Inside Mac, please install a VM, virtual machine. Configure Windows if possible. Go to Mac help and how to enable Windows. You get a inbuilt Windows OS instruction set within Mac. It is possible. Mac has that option of enabling Windows free of cost. Please try to get Windows if possible. With this information, my kind request, make sure you have minimum 1 hour every day to practice. That's my only request, nothing else. I'll be very, very cautious in the class. Please help me. I want you to be cautious so that we get the best. Either you are going for analyst or engineer or admin or ETL admin, anything. We'll start from the scratch carefully. With this content, we'll go for questions, doubts, clarifications. Before that, let me recap once again what we learned today, just to get some idea. Before we step into installation tomorrow, let's understand the technical terms once again that we learned today. First, we slowly started with what is database. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured. Then we learn types of database, OLTP, data warehouse. OLTP developers will take care. Data warehouse engineers will take care. Admins to manage both OLTP and data warehouse, and analysts to report from data warehouse and OLTP databases. To perform our day-to-day activities, we need something called DBMS. Different companies came with different DBMS in the market. And we have a small diagram like this to make it clear with some idea. The birthplace of data, applications, websites, forms, Internet of Things. From there, the data would be parked into database. Over a period of time, the data would be given to warehouse, the godown. You log into your bank portal, you see recent transactions, OLTP. You want to apply for a loan and you would like to upload few documents including some transaction details for last 3 years or 4 years, whatever. You need to go to statement section and generate the statements. That is from the warehouse. Old data. Live temperature OLTP and past temperature analysis warehouse. Future predictions AIML. AI based predictions and forecasts. So warehouse, the big data is the backbone for data science, machine learning and AI projects. Remember that. That's why Microsoft is coming with a new certification for engineering and data science combo together, Fabric. The Fabric technology has engineering, analytics, data science, OLTP, everything, entire diagram, one technology, Fabric. It's very new, and right now it's still in the budding activities. But just to get some idea, remember the birthplace of data, applications, IoT, web, etc. We'll take one such example by end of this week, how to read data from outside files, forms into OLTP. And we are going to learn MS SQL, Microsoft SQL for OLTP to start with. From there, you may go for management or engineering or analytics, anyone as per your choice. What each of these teams will do, let's see. The analysts will be involved in reporting activities, AI, Copilot, Cloud, DAX, Power Query, etc. Engineers will be involved in warehouse, ETL, data factory, data bricks, and other activities. Administrators, entirely different. Management, monitoring, troubleshooting, security activities. Now, there will be a combo of engineering plus admin. We call it as ETL admin for experience profiles. For experience profiles, you may opt for that ETL admin. That is engineering plus administration blended together. Same way, analyst and engineer blended together, we call it as BI developer. BI means business intelligence. BI developer. Let me just write down on my screen just to make it clear for you. On my screen now, here it is. Analyst plus engineer is equal to BI developer. Why? Simple. Here we have end-to-end implementations, back-end warehouse, front-end reporting. ETL admin, OLTP admin, data warehouse admin. This is a concept. From here, you choose whichever path you would like to stream into. Over to you now. Let's go for questions, please. Let's go for questions, please. Let's understand more about the installations and other things from tomorrow. We'll do slowly, step by step. We'll stop for now. Over to you. Questions, please. I'll wait.
Well, and other factors, right? So I can able to get into, sir. I mean, is there any challenges?
Yes.
I will be. Yeah.
Understood. Understood. Let me be clear, Chandra. You said like you have total 12 years experience, right? Isn't it? Total.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Great. So yes, I think you have selected the correct path. I believe you selected the correct path because you said like you are looking for ETL admin. That's the correct path wherein you have OLTP as well as data warehouse. Both we are able to do the things. Now, first question that you asked me: are there any challenges? No, provided we practice on time. That's very important. So can you practice minimum 1 hour every day, please? Yes,
Yeah,
please. I'll
definitely,
wait.
sir. Yeah. Yep.
Great. Then pretty sure, no problem at all. We can do in a simple way. To make it clear on my screen, the ETL admins will be responsible for both data warehouse as well as ETL operations. I can guide you step by step in a easier, simple way. In a simple way, we can do. But we need to have more practice. Okay, so you need to help me in that aspect. On time practice, on time submission of assignments. Yes, please. Hope you'll do it for me. Yep.
Sure, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Then definitely yes, we can do it. We can do it. Yep, we'll do.
Yeah. And sir, on the other hand, like we do have this fabric, right? Fabric came into the picture, right? So that
Yes,
will
you're right.
be including data analyst, data engineer, and this one, right?
Sir,
ETL.
like see, yeah, in the ETL admin, I request you to do SQL DB with Azure and then go for fabric engineering. You got
Okay.
it now.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
are
sir.
into
Yes.
ETL admin with fabric because fabric has AI, right? I don't want you to miss it. You got my point?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it, sir. Yeah.
That's why I was actually writing here, sir. I said like LX and Copilot AI I was mentioning there in the screen, right? Copilot
Yeah.
was on the screen.
Yeah.
So Copilot is actually from Fabric only. Okay, so let's not miss it. Let's not miss it. Yep, we'll do.
Yeah. Got it, sir. Yeah. Thanks. And
Yep.
sir, do we cover Python as well? Because for data engineering, like we would
Yes.
like to. Yeah.
Part of the course, sir. Part of the course. We do it, sir. Yep, we'll do.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Yeah.
Welcome. And on time practice, that's my only request. Okay. Remaining things I'll take care, please. Yeah.
Definitely, sir. I will put my
Perfect.
100% efforts. Yep.
Great. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Yep. And next, we'll go one by one, friends. Please give me a few moments time. We'll go one by one slowly. Yep. Others, in case no questions for me, once are done with our talk, you may leave. It's up to you. Who are done with our talk, you may leave. It's up to you. We'll be starting from tomorrow installation part. Disha Patel, questions please. Tell me. Disha Patel, any question for me, please? Let me know. Disha Patel, yes.
Right now, no questions. I'll go with the data analyst.
Okay, you're looking for a data analyst, right? Got it. Sure, sure, we'll do. And you have minimum 1 hour a day to practice, right? Let me know, please. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll try my best.
Please, or at least by weekend, okay? By weekend, please complete every activity. Got
Yeah,
it?
I wanted to make sure about the class time. Uh, these are
Yeah,
on like from Monday to Friday,
Friday. Exactly. Monday to Friday, India time. Okay? Yep.
India time. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all.
Perfect. And friends, everyone, you'll be receiving the print copy notes today, tomorrow, and day after. And you'll be receiving the print copy notes weekly in advance. Take prints of all the class notes, get them ready for the sessions. Okay? Hope it is clear, everyone, please. Notes will be sent in advance. You'll take print copy of the notes. Yes, please, everyone, for best results. Yep. Yes, everyone, please, mic with you all, please. Chandra, Disha, Hardeep Kaur,
Yeah.
Okay.
Karmotion, Mahin, Mary, please. Thank you. Sure, thank you. And Hardeep Kaur, which course you're opting for? Please tell me. I'll wait. Hardeep Kaur. Yep. Hardeep Kaur, which course you're opting for? Please let me know. I'll wait. Hardeep Kaur, cannot hear you. Please check your mic, please. I'll wait. Hardeep Kaur, cannot hear you.
Yes, sir. I'm going to go with the data analyst. So
Data
I'm going
analyst,
to,
surely. But definitely we'll
yes,
do.
I'm positive.
Surely, and you can practice minimum 1 hour every day, please, for me, please, from
Yes,
tomorrow.
I will.
Great, thank you. Sure, we'll do from tomorrow. Yep.
Okay, sure.
And thank you. And Karima Roshan, can you hear me, please? Karima Roshan, please. I'll wait.
Yeah, I go for the
Yeah,
data engineering.
surely.
Data
So,
engineering.
yeah, surely we'll do data engineering and we'll start from the scratch tomorrow. SQL, okay? SQL, and then go for data engineering. We'll do.
Okay, thank
Sure,
you.
we'll do. Thank you. And you have minimum 1 hour to practice, please, per day, okay? Minimum 1 hour,
Yeah,
please, every day.
yes, sure.
Thank you. Yes. And Maheen Wasif, which course you're opting for, please let me know. Maheen Wasif, I'll wait. Cannot hear you. Please check your mic. And Mary Tesfu and Sarah Tesfu, which course you're opting for, both of you, please let me know. Mary Tesfu and Sarah Tesfu, please. Yep.
Yeah, I am Sarah Tasfu. I am new to computer science, so
Okay,
I'm not sure which one is like a base fit for me.
understood. Understood. Maybe you can opt for the data analyst, because for starters, freshers who are new to computers compared to engineering and other things, option 1 data analyst, option 2 database administration. Anyone you have to choose, either data analyst or DBA, anyone you can choose. Fresher
Okay.
starters, data analyst. Experience profiles, I mean, if you want to showcase some experience in your resume, then DBA. Yes, anyone. So tell me, like, are you starter profile or experience profile? Tell me which one you're into.
A starter because I don't have any experience about the computer science.
Starter
So
profile.
a starter profile is good for me.
Okay, so you're planning to market your resume as a fresher only, right? Isn't it? Fresher, right?
Yes, yes.
Definitely then go for data analyst. It's a preferred option. DA,
Yeah, so
data
maybe
analyst.
like yeah, after I work a little bit and maybe adding some more course,
Yes, you can do later. Step by step, we can
step
do
by
one
step.
after.
Exactly.
Yes, you can do. Yes, yes, exactly. Better. Okay,
Mhm.
sure. And Rupesh, which course you're opting for, please, Rupesh? Please, I'll wait.
Yeah, hi sir. I'm opting for data analyst course. Actually, I'm having 4.5 years experience
Okay,
in the investment banking side. Uh,
okay.
so I need a placement assistance also.
Surely, surely, we'll do. We
And
can
one more
discuss
doubt
about.
I'm having. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, got your question, Rupesh. Um,
Uh,
Tell me, please, how many hours
yes.
you can practice per day, every day? Like minimum 1 hour, please, per day.
1 to 1.5 hour I can practice.
That's really good. And you can submit your assignments on time, right? Please,
Yes,
every day.
yes, yes.
Then definitely, yes, we can do. We can assist you with placements and resume, everyday assignments, weekly case studies. We will be able to assist you. We will do. Yes, we have it.
And one more doubt I'm having. Is there any
Yes, please.
difference between the writing queries and SQL or Oracle? Because in my office we use Oracle database.
I understand. There is difference, but little bit difference, little bit, just like driving a car. I know how to drive one car. I can easily drive the other car with minor modifications. That's what I mean. Minor modifications will be there, but more or less the concepts will be similar, almost similar. And one more thing, we are talking from the architecture. Please wait, some background sound. Okay, I'll mute your mic. Please help me. We'll start from the architecture. We'll start from the basics, repeating every item very carefully. So yes, you can easily work on other database technologies also, because we learn all the root activities in a simplified way. How, what, where, when, so on. We'll do in a simple way. So definitely we can do it, Rupesh. It works for you. My course will work for you. Rupesh, hope you got my answer. I'll wait.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
And friends, in the meantime, I have sent an email to all our participants on the board. Just now email sent. Please check. It includes total 3 installation links. Do not install, okay? Download, get them ready for tomorrow's class, please. Please check your spam, junk, promotions. And attendees who are interactive in my class will get additional mail like this. It was sent for my morning batch 1 hour back for Data Factory. I did my class and interactive attendees, extra mail every day. Trust me, every day. Okay, that's how I do. Not only that, we have active learner group separately, active learner group, wherein we'll be providing free monthly webinars, free workshops, like this month, June month workshop. We had it on Saturday, 8 a.m. on June, this one. So one workshop video and again next workshop. That's how it is. Next weekend, something like that. It all depends. Okay, we do more, we get more. I repeat again, friends. Let's be interactive in the class so that we can have more points, additional mails, and free monthly webinars. At least as long as I have energy to train. I'm 42 now. At least next 10 years, I'll be available for sure, because I have been here in my school for 20 years now. We are celebrating 20 years in the month of August. We are almost 19 years old now. We're into 20 years now. We can. It's not a big deal for us. We are doing it. We are enjoying it with good number of clients across the globe. So please help me. Please help me. Make sure we do on-time practice throughout the course, and we are always there to guide you, to support you. Please do help us. I love my subject. Next, I think we are done, almost done. Oh, one more. Teja Dharma. Which course you're opting for, please? Teja Dharma. Please let me know. I'll wait. Teja Dharma. I'll wait, please. Yep. Cannot hear you, Teja Dharma. Please check your mic. Shiva, can you hear me? Please check your mic, please. Shiva. I'll wait. Shiva cannot hear you, but I could see your chat message. Let me read it for everyone. It may be helping some other folks online. It might. Let me read it. It says, hi sir, currently I'm working as a data analyst. 4 years experience. And I don't know about SQL. What is the best path you suggest? You are into experienced, right? And you are new to SQL. I strongly recommend you go for Fabric Data Analyst, Shiva. SQL plus Fabric Data Analyst, complete Fabric Data Analyst course. It works. It has SQL, AI, Copilot, data analysis with certifications. Shiva, I strongly recommend you go for Fabric Data Analyst for your profile. My kind recommendation for you, Shiva. Yes. Next question, please. I'll wait. Mic with everyone. We are done.
Do you want us to download the software
Yes.
prior to the tomorrow's class meeting, or are we downloading
Yes, please.
this? Okay.
Please download before tomorrow's class so that we can enjoy installation together. I'll show you installation first time, and second time you'll install together along with me. That's my plan tomorrow. We'll do. Okay?
Okay.
Download and
Okay,
get
sir.
ready. Yep.
Yeah, and one more question, sir. Sir, this
Tell me,
ETL course, so does
yes,
this
sir.
covers the Azure SQL DB as well, sir?
Yeah, it is covering, sir. I'll just put this way. I think I can show you one particular image. Thanks for asking the question. I missed it actually. I can show you one image here. Of course,
Sure, sir.
our team will be providing you the complete course curriculum anyway. They'll provide the complete course curriculum, but I can show you this one. Our ETL admin. This one, sir. This one. This is your answer to the question. Okay?
Yeah.
Azure DB.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So
Thank you, sir.
Core
Yeah.
DBA, Azure DBA, and then ETL. Okay, we'll do step by step slowly. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine, friends. Thank you. Meeting tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp. We'll start from the scratch carefully.
Sure,
Thank
sir.
you so
Thanks, sir.
much. Thank
Why
you.
not?
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Bye.
sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Had a wonderful time today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so
Bye.
much. Thank you.